Every year, our students send some of their best work to Scholastics in hope of receiving an award in arts or writing. And every year, we're not at all surprised when several of our students find out that someone else thinks their writing is amazing. This year was no different. Scholastic recognized several of our students for their outstanding accomplishments in writing, whether it be a poem told from the point of view of Peter Pan's shadow, a playful modern-day take on the haiku, or a reflection on the tides and genius of Patti Smith. Our students wowed the judges from Scholastic just as much as they wowed us. Just take a look at some of the students who received an honorable mention, a silver key, or a gold key this year for their writing. We are also happy to celebrate one more very special writing award. Each of our Gold Key recipients had their work advanced to a national level, and our very own Abby Prettyman was selected for a gold medal in poetry. Her poem, Please Never Land Without Me, was chosen for this prestigious national award, and we couldn't be prouder of her and all of our other creative writers who have been creating and sharing their work all year. Go Dragons!